What up, what up? 420 Things Grow in Ontario. Coming at you this time, not with a plant update, but I want to build a cloner. And I'm going to get that going for the next time when I do that GDP. I think I'm going to take some clones, I'm going to put them in this cloner. So I'm going to try to build one and use it. I've always done dome stuff, so in soil, either rock wool. So now I'm going to go with this straight up bubble aeroponics bucket and see how it goes. So what you need is a pump. That's the only pump I have kicking around. You need a bucket, 5-gallon black bucket, prevent the light from going in. Need some hosing. I had some heater hose here I got from Home Hardware. I had it just kicking around. So you get that, and then you got these little 360 sprayers. You get these on Amazon for pretty darn cheap. And then you jam those in, they spray 360 out. So again, it'll be nice and wet in there. Some of these inserts, these are 2-inch inserts-ish. That's where you put the plant in, put it in there. Need some of those. I'm going to need a razor blade or two, pipe cutter, T, and like I said, another chunk of hose for the pump. What we're trying to do is we're trying to get this in here and spraying it inside the bucket. So you're also going to need a hole saw, which you can get pretty much anywhere. This one from Princess Auto, pretty cheap for like a 4-pack. It's really messy, and when you're drilling these holes in here, you don't want to, oh, look at that, it fell into the drill. You don't want to leave all that black plastic in the bucket, or it'll get sucked up in the pump. So you definitely want to make sure to clean that up, and it gets pretty dirty. So first things first, drill the holes, which I've already done, just because it's the messy part. I also like to try this. Like everyone I've seen has kind of either got a hole in the side of the bucket, or they notch out at the top. I'm not growing a crazy amount of clones, so again, I think to sacrifice one of these for the plug just to be nice and sealed, hey, that's good for me. So anyways, you drill your holes, put your pucks in, put your plants in. I'll do another video when I do the clone them, show you what I'm doing and keep the progress going. So like I did, I just grabbed a T, which is going to go on this bumps a 1/2-inch T. This heater hose is really flexible. Poly pipe is not going to work with this for a small application like this. You might be able to get it into a tote and be able to do it, but to put it on a T, yeah, I don't see it being feasible. It's just so hard to bend. Maybe if you heated it up and bent it, if not, it would kink, right? So what I've done here is I've just made a loop here, put 5 sprayers around. They're in there, they're twisted in good. How the hell's there crap in there already? Ah, that's from the other bucket. Anyways, so once you get that on there, you get it on your pump. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it so that I can get it right tight in here. So what I've done here is again, I can do another one here just to show you. What I've done is I've taken the scissors, because this is just a soft hose. I can just go in here with the scissors, poke a little hole in, grab one of these sprayers. You need a little bit of fucking weight in behind it, but push it in. Once it gets through, it's got some threads, turns on, and it's there. It's done. Right? So, what the hell, I'll do one more on this side. Nah, that's good enough. But anyways, we'll see how it goes. This is a fairly big pump. I'm assuming it's going to spray quite good. So I'm just going to drop this down in here, suction it to the bottom. Sort of. The hose is a little bit bent here. Hose got a bit of a bend to it. Just some holes that I had laying around. I don't want to mess with the poly pipe. It'd be too rigid. Try to make that bend. Do some other. But this is just one fitting, right? Just the one T. So like that. Once you get it in the bucket, you're gonna see is I'll plug this in here and you'll see how much water it's spraying. Like it's spraying Yeah, it's spraying all over the place. The whole table soaked and everything. So yeah, so once that gets on, and like I said, I've only got a few holes open there. Yeah, you can even see it's even coming out of these holes, right? So the whole underneath side of this, all your plants are going to be getting nice and wet. Seal these two up. Let's take a look at the underneath of the. Oh yeah, look at that. Full of water. Yeah, no, that's going to be great. It's pretty simple. Like I said, bucket, lid, pump, drill bit. Obviously, you're going to need a drill. A T. Some of these on Amazon. I think they were like $9 for 200 of them, or 50 of them, or whatever it was. How many? Pack of 50. I don't know. It was like $10. More you need. Pipe cutters. Yeah, away you go. Some of those. I don't know. I haven't seen these on Amazon, but I just got some at the local place here as I was driving by. So, if not, I would assume you can get these on Amazon. But yeah, pretty simple. It's pretty quick and easy. This is nowhere near the $100 or whatever it is for one of those easy cloners. It pretty much is the same thing. So, anyways, guys, $5 or $9 for the bucket, $3-4 for the lid. Forget what these were. A couple bucks, $10. I'm at like $20, $35 maybe. Maybe I'll get the price list and put it in the description. But yeah, no, not too much. Not bad for a little homemade unit real quick. So like I said, once I do the next cutting and you know, next update to the grow video of that GDP, if there's something long enough, I'm going to take some off and make some clones, see how this works, and then also start a recirculating deep culture in my other little 2x4 tent just to get them going. So yeah, so come on back and we'll see when we see you guys. All right, thanks for watching.